So it is time to announce the winner of the Dollar Tree giveaway. This giveaway included many items for gardening from Dollar Tree, such as plant markers, gloves, a little greenhouse for seed starting, and some wind chimes. And this giveaway was open worldwide. I used a random selector to choose a comment from below the video where I announced the giveaway, and the winner is Raspberries Summer. So if you will kindly send me over your mailing address to rainbowgardens@charter.net, I'll be sure to ship this out to you just as soon as I can. And thanks so much for watching. Happy gardening, and y'all have a beautiful day.